$11.60 an hour. Why is that number important? Let's do some quick math. $11.60 an hour times 24 times 30 days equals $8,352. So that's over $8,000 a month. So why is that number important? Because $8,352 times 12 months equals over $100,000, which makes you a six-figure earner. I'll admit that $11.60 an hour doesn't seem much to a lot of people. But what if you have something set up that paid you $11.60 an hour, but it did it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year? Then once you had it set up one time, you can set up another one again and again, basically as many times as you would like. I know some of this can sound totally unreal, so I need you to put your disbelief on the side for a second. I also want to show you proof that I did it myself. Setting up passive income streams will not only help you have time freedom, but when it's set up correctly, they can just keep paying you as long as you don't touch them. This can give you the financial freedom you've been searching for. If this is something that interests you, comment down below info and I will reach out to you and help you get started the exact same way that I did.